Hello, this is Sharon Narin coming to you here from a beautiful Sunshine State. As a matter of fact, I'm in here in my kitchen, and what I want to talk today about, folks. You can see me here. I am in my kitchen, and what I want to talk to you about is this company. And let me see if I can get this out here, which is called Hbnaturals. See, folks, these are all some of the product that they do have, and I am being so fascinated by their products. Not so much fascinated, but blown away. Oh my, blown away. Did I log myself out? But blown away with the testimonials and with what people are. Let me see here if I can log in, and then also what's my password? I'll be right back. Let me run and get it. I am back. I had to write it down because it's kind of new, and I am using my husband's laptop, and I normally have one of these thing that memorize my password, but on his laptop I do not have it, which is the what's that program called? At any rate, so here is my back office with Hbnaturals. And folks, like as I said, I am so being taken back by this company. Okay, let me just do that. I'm taken back, and what I want to talk to you about more so, let me see here if I can show you. All the products. Okay, so purchase products. Let me hope that I'll get it from there. No, I don't have to go purchase product. I already did. I just want to show you guys the products. And what I want to talk to you pretty much more is the Vitalitea. Vitalitea. Vitali, Vitali, and TEA. That's what it is, Vitalitea. And folks, this is like, it cleanses, it energizes, and it revitalizes. And I am looking, there are many testimonials about this thing. It's like just blows your mind. So that's what I want to show you today. And what it says, it says 100% natural ingredients, shed unwanted pounds and become a happier, healthier, and you will be Vitalitea. You can gently cleanse your digestive system and detoxify your body naturally with our unique blend of organic ingredients. And folks, this is what really blows my mind. It removes toxins, suppress appetite, burn unwanted fat, reduce bloating, reduce energy levels, boost energy levels, reduce stress. Okay, see, I have my glasses. And it supports your immune system. Folks, when I hear the word immune system, this kind of brings me back to, I hope my glass is not sparkly. It brings me back to what's going on right now with the coronavirus and all of that. And they say that the corona attacks people, those whose immune system are not up the bar. All right, and if you have low immune system, the corona just kind of looks for you then, so to speak. That's why they said the elderly, the senior citizens and the elderly and babies, their immune system are not, up there, so that you really have to be very, very careful as far as the coronavirus. But the Vitality, which is energy and detox, it's a herbal tea for the whole body detoxification. Already, it detoxes the whole body. And I have my husband's laptop. I was going to go, let me put my phone away. I was going to go show you, it says here, how to use this thing. Okay, I'm so excited when I got this, and I kept it, so I wanted to this video. It says directions. Bring 4 cups of water to a boil and remove from the heat. Okay, folks, so let me see if you can see me. I'm going to head over here to my stove. Let me just put this away. Okay, I have my pot. See here, I have my pot. This is my measuring cup. Okay, so folks, this is the first time I'm going to do this. Okay, so I have my pot. Now I have to get my water. So it says 4 cups, right? So let me see here. I don't know if you can see. 4. Okay, let's see here. This has in millimeter and it has also in cups. Okay, up here is 2 cups. So this is 2. Okay, folks. That's 2 cups, so I gotta get 2 more. Okay. So there you go. Alright, 2 cups. So here's my water. I'm pouring it in. Okay, so now cool. I have 4 cups of water. And I'm gonna put it. So hopefully, let me turn it on. So it says it has to come to a boil. So hopefully it boils that quick. Let's see if I can get a cover for it. Put it on the bigger one. I can get a cover for it real quick. I'm going to turn the stove on. Okay, so folks, there you can see that. Let's see if you can see. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's where the stove is, so it's on there. I have another big pot. My husband's gonna make some food for tomorrow, so he's setting it up. Okay, folks, so back to whilst that water is going hot. They said, let me see, let me read it again. They said here, it says 4 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then remove from the heat, which means I have to turn off the stove. Add 1 tablespoon? Teaspoon of Vitality to the heated water. Cover and steep at least 2 hours or overnight. Add sweetener or lemon to taste. Refrigerate. The tea can be consumed hot or cold. Drink all 4 cups of the Vitality before 4 p.m. So it depends, it's good for you to take it like in the morning and before 4 p.m. I believe that's Eastern Standard Time. But I think once you drink it out, so ingredients, organic green tea. Oh my god, there's tons of ingredients in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the top. Okay, so let's see here. I'm not sure why my okay, so I'm gonna open the top and see folks, I open it up and they say what, add 1 teaspoon of Vitalitea into the water. So folks, I don't know how I can show you. So let's bring this down. Tablespoon. Okay. So here's my tablespoon. Okay. So one of this. Ew. Look at that, folks. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see, but here it is. This is what it looks like. So I'm waiting to put one of this. Folks, I think this will go a long time because look how big this bag is. I have to read up on it. I think this will last you for a long time with this amount. So, okay, the water is coming to a boil. And folks, so here's the big deal. I mean, you know, with this company, you can also, you know, you can also join this company, and you can also join. I mean, you can join this company absolutely free. There's no auto ship. There is no subscription. You don't have to buy any product to make money with this company. Folks, once you sign up for free, okay, I will put my link in there. You can create your account absolutely free, and you can go through each and every area. Okay, you can go through that. What is this thing here? You can go through that and you'll be able to see, you know, I have a total of 109 consultants. Okay, yesterday somebody signed up. So folks, yes, you can go through. You see all this here. You can go through enroll a wholesale customer, HSN library. The site here has so many things that I am still learning, but when it comes to the product, let's see, is it boiling? Okay, let it boil. It's getting there. It's already boiling, but I wanted to boil some more. Now, once you get to, you know, go through all that purchase product, your business, enroll a customer, stay connected, HBN library. I think this library is loaded with stuff that I haven't even gone through yet, folks. So that's what I want to show you. It's an awesome back office that they do have, and the best part about this company is that, you know, you can sign up for free. All right, you can definitely sign up for free and get going with this business. I mean, sign up for free, and once you share your link, people join, people look into the product, and they purchase a product, boom, you get, ooh, this is boiling. You get the money right away. So folks, here you go. I'm gonna put one through the boil. Okay, so I turn it off. Okay, so there you got it, folks. See my pot? See, that's all right. Put it off here. And let me seal this back. I think this is gonna go a long time with 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of Vitality to the heated water. Cover and steep at least 2 hours or overnight. Oh, I'll cover it. Get it? I cover it. And there you got it, folks. Ta-da! So again, and like as I said, this is a company that you can sign up for absolutely free. Free. Okay, folks, you can sign up for it absolutely free. So you see there, you got it. It's covered. If you can see that my stove. So it is covered. So again, folks, this is Sharon Arain coming to you with Hbnaturals, and hit the bell. And as well as if you can click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, peace out, you take care, and I will do another video to show you what's happening. Tea is here, 4 cups, and it's in the pot. Okay, folks, you take care, and I shall talk to you again soon. Peace out. Bye for now. Sharon Arain.